Hey mathletes, welcome to section 1. Today, we're becoming math detectives to solve the mystery of the missing numbers. We're diving into more on algebraic expressions. Don't worry, it's way more fun than it sounds. So, what is algebra? Is it a secret language, a code for spies? Well, kind of. An algebraic expression is just a math phrase with an unknown. Think of it as a Lego set with a missing piece. We call that missing piece a variable or unknown. It's usually a letter like X or P acting as a placeholder. An equation is more serious. It's a statement that says two things are equal. It's the balanced version of a phrase. Think of an equation like a Lego seesaw. If both sides aren't the same, the whole thing falls over. Splat. Expression, tschüss math phrase. Equation, tschüss math sentence with an equals sign. Got it? High five. Let's practice. Look at r plus 2. Is there an equal sign? Nope. So it's an algebraic expression. Tick. Just a letter and a number hanging out. Totally an expression. No pressure. Now look at 7j dagger 21. Aha! The equals sign. That means it's an equation. Circle it. That I is the secret handshake of the equation club. Welcome to the club, 7j. K over 3 is an expression. A over 5 equals 4 is an equation. You're getting good at this. What about 30 divided by 5? No variables, so it's just plain old arithmetic. Boring, just kidding. 10 equals u minus 6 is an equation. 23 minus y is an expression. Boom, sorting master. Remember, look for the variable and look for the equals sign. That's your detective kit. Let's get building. We have rows of 7 cubes, but we don't know how many rows. Let's call it P. The E key stands for please tell me how many rows. Okay, not really, but it represents the rows. If each row has 7 cubes and there are p rows, we have 7 times p cubes, or just 7p. In algebra, we're too cool for multiplication signs. We just squish them together. 7p. But wait, there are 4 extra cubes sitting all by themselves. We need to add them. 7p plus 4. There it is, our first custom expression. 7p plus 4. It's like a recipe for cubes. If p is 4, we just swap the p for a 4. 7 times 4 is 28 plus 4, that's 32 cubes. Easy. What if p is 6? 7 times 6 is 42 plus 4, 46 cubes. We're cube counting champions. New challenge. This time we have 4 rows and each row has y cubes and 3 extra ones. You marks the spot. Well, you marks the number of cubes in each row. Let's find them. 4 rows of y cubes is just 4 times y, or 4y. Snap those bricks together. The slide says 3 plus 4y. Does the order matter? Nope. Math is flexible like that. Don't forget those 3 lonely cubes on the side, so our expression is 3 plus 4y. Perfect. 3 plus 4y. It's like a secret formula for building this specific tower. If y is 10, that's 4 times 10, which is 40, plus 3, 43 cubes. You're a math wizard. If y is 12, 4 times 12 is 48, plus 3, 51. We're on a roll, just like these Lego wheels. Oops, don't forget to multiply before you add. Order of operations is our superhero rule. See the difference? In 1a, the variable was the number of rows. In 1b, it was the cube's PR row. Always check what your variable represents. It's the secret map to the whole problem. Next up, we're taking things away. 10 bags of cubes minus 5 sounds like a snack break. Why was the math book sad? Because it had too many problems, but not us. We're solving them. That's it for section 1. Keep building, keep solving, and I'll see you in the next one. Algebra is just the start of something amazing. Stay curious, mathletes. Welcome back, math detectives. Ready for round 2? Today things are going to get negative, but in a good way. Look at these 10 bags. Each has k cubes. That's a lot of Lego potential. Total, 10k. But then disaster. Well, not really. Someone takes away 5 cubes, so we subtract 5. 10k minus 5. Our variable k represents the hidden cubes in each bag. It's like a math treasure chest. Wait, did the slide use a or k? Doesn't matter, the logic is the same. 10 times the bags minus the ones we lost. 10a minus 5. Jelly time. We have b bags of 10 cups. That's 10b plus 4 extra cups on the side. 10b plus 4. It's all about grouping. Group the bags first, then add the single cups. Easy as pie or jelly. Now for the sweet stuff. 6 bags of sugar, W grams each. That's 6W. But we used 120 grams. 6W minus 120. We subtract what we used. It's like a math kitchen. Don't forget the apron. Algebra is everywhere, even in your morning cereal. Well, maybe not cereal, but definitely in the sugar. Meet Jordan and Jenna. They have a bag with D cubes. Jordan gets 1/3 of the bag. That's D over 3. 1/3 just means dividing by 3. In algebra, we write it like a fraction, d over 3. Jenna gets 1/4, d over 4. She's got a smaller piece, but hey, it's still Lego. Fractions are just fancy division. Don't let them scare you. They're just math slices. Then Jordan gives 3 cubes away to Jenna. He's so generous. Now he has d over 3 minus 3. When you give something away, you subtract. It's a universal law of math and kindness. If the bag had 12 cubes, 12 divided by 3 is 4. Minus 3, Jordan only has 1 cube left. Oops. If d is 24, 24 over 3 is 8. Minus 3, he has 5. Still a small tower, but better. Subtraction, fractions, and giving cubes away. We've covered a lot. You're basically math wizards now. Next up, we see how Jenna is doing. Hint, she's getting those cubes Jordan gave away. Plus 3. Why did the student do math on the floor? Because the teacher said not to use tables. Badumts. See you in section 3, mathletes. Keep those brains building. Algebra is a journey, and you're doing great. Stay curious. Welcome back, builders. We're in section 3. Remember Jenna from the last episode? She's about to get a Lego surprise. Jenna started with 1/4 of the bag, or d over 4, but then Jordan gave her 3 more. Jackpot. Since she's receiving cubes, we add d over 4 plus 3. It's like finding extra bricks in the couch cushions. If d is 12, 12 divided by 4 is 3. Plus the 3 from Jordan, Jenna has 6 cubes, double the fun. If d is 24, 24 over 4 is 6. Plus 3, she has 9. Now we're talking. That's almost a whole skyscraper. Thirsty? Let's talk orange juice. We have E milliliters in a carton. Bella gets 1/5, E over 5. But then Mum pours 50 ml out of Bella's glass into Jerry's. No, my juice! We subtract 50, E over 5 minus 50. Now let's look at Jerry. He gets 1/6 of the carton, or E over 6. And he gets Bella's 50 ml. Lucky Jerry. For Jerry, it's addition. E over 6 plus 50. One person's loss is another person's math gain. Back to cubes. We have W cubes divided into 2 bags. That's W over 2 in each, perfectly balanced. I take 4 cubes from the first bag, so W over 2 minus 4. The first bag is feeling a bit light now. If W is 10, each bag has 5. 5 minus 4. Only 1 cube left in bag 1. Don't lose it. But wait, those 4 cubes didn't vanish. They went into the second bag, W over 2 plus 4. Now bag 2 is the popular one. If W was 10, bag 2 has 5 plus 4. That's 9 cubes. Party time. Notice a pattern? When something moves from A to B, we subtract from A and add to B. It's like a math magic trick. Receiving cubes, pouring juice, moving blocks. You're mastering real-world algebra. High five. Next up, we learn the secret rules of algebra to make things even simpler. Our bird friend has the scoop. Why do birds fly south for the winter? Because it's too far to walk, and they're great at math. Chirp, chirp. That's it for section 3. Go get a glass of juice, but don't let anyone subtract from it. See you in section 4. Take a quick break and come back for section 4. You're doing awesome. Hey there, builders. Section 4 is here, and it's time to learn the secret rules that make algebra look so cool. Are you ready to become math stylish? Let's go. Our bird friend here is letting us in on a secret. Algebraic expressions look way better when we simplify them. No more messy signs everywhere. Rule number 1, omit the multiplication signs. We just squish the number and the letter together. 7 times p becomes 7p. It's like they're best friends now. Rule number 2, use fraction form for division. It's much cleaner than that old division symbol. D divided by 3 becomes D over 3. Much more elegant, right? Think of this as the dress code for algebra. It makes your work easier to read and way more professional. Keep it simple. Keep it sharp. Candies. We have M candies in a bag, shared between 4 friends, Bella, Holman, Jordan, and Haley. That's M divided by 4, or M over 4 each. But Holman is a giver. He gives 3 of his candies to Haley, so we take his share, M over 4, and subtract 3. Poor Holman, but what a nice guy. The formula for Holman's candies is M over 4 minus 3. Remember, division first, then subtraction. That's the secret recipe. Now, let's check on Haley. She started with her share, M over 4, and then came Holman's 3 extra candies. Jackpot. For Haley, it's addition. M over 4 plus 3, she's the candy champion of the day. Always look at who is giving and who is receiving. Pro tip: in sharing problems, the total amount of stuff stays the same. One person's minus is another person's plus. It's all about keeping the Lego universe in balance. Time for a brain teaser. Which of these is equal to 30 divided by Pentagon divided by 5? Don't let the shapes confuse you. The answer is B. Dividing by a number is the same as multiplying by its reciprocal. It's like flipping a Lego brick upside down. If you divide by 5, you're multiplying by 1/5. If you divide by a pentagon, you're multiplying by 1 over pentagon. It's math gymnastics. Moving on to Focus 2. Application. This is where we turn words into math power. Let's look at the first two examples. Add 4 to the product of 5 and t. Product means multiply, so 5 times t plus 4. Using our new rule, that's 5t plus 4. Boom. Subtract 8 from 2 times me. Do the multiplication first, 2 meners, then take away 8. 2 nananyagers minus 8. You're speaking the language of math now. The secret is in the keywords. Product is multiply, sum is add, difference is subtract. Learn these and you'll be unstoppable. Notation rules, candy sharing, and word power applications. What a section! You're building a solid math foundation, one brick at a time. Great work today. Keep practicing those rules. I'll see you in Section 5 for even more algebraic action. Peace out. You're a math champion. See you in the next one. Welcome back, Math Masters. Section 5 is here, and today we're moving out of the Lego room and into the real world. We're turning words into math superpowers. First up, more practice. Subtract 6 from L times 1, 3. Multiplication first, that's L over 3, then take away 6. L over 3 minus 6. Too easy for you now. Add 3 to 1/5 of R. 1/5 of R is just R over 5, plus 3. Boom, you're speaking fluent algebra. I'm so proud. Meet Wayne and Macy. Wayne spends P minutes on homework. Macy, she spends 7 minutes more than twice Wayne's time. Macy, take a break. Twice Wayne's time is 2P, plus 7 more minutes. So Macy's homework marathon is 2P plus 7. Stay strong, Macy. Carrie has 6 bags of beads, S beads in each, total 6s. She uses 38 to make a bracelet. Fancy. Since she used them, we subtract. 6s minus 38 beads left. Math is the secret to perfect jewelry making. Who knew? Alan is jogging on a 1.5-kilometer track. He runs 3 kilometers, then does B more rounds. Alan is making us all look lazy. Each round is 1.5 kilometers, so B rounds is B over 5. Total distance, 3 plus B over 5. Keep going, Alan. We're cheering for you. Mrs. Chung has in dollars. She spends 1 or 4 of it on veggies and fruits. If veggies cost $22, what's left for fruit? Total grocery money is N over 4. Subtract the $22 for veggies, and the fruit budget is N over 4 minus 22. Healthy and math heavy. That's it for Section 5. Go solve some real-world problems of your own. I'll see you in Section 6 for the next math adventure. Welcome back, Math Masters. Section 5 is here, and today we're moving out of the Lego room and into the real world. We're turning words into math superpowers. First up, more practice. Subtract 6 from L times 1 take 3. Multiplication first. That's L over 3, then take away 6. L over 3 minus 6. Too easy for you now. Add 3 to 1/5 of R. 1/5 of R is just R over 5 plus 3. Boom. You're speaking fluent algebra. I'm so proud. Meet Wayne and Macy. Wayne spends P minutes on homework. Macy, she spends 7 minutes more than twice Wayne's time. Macy, take a break. Twice Wayne's time is 2P plus 7 more minutes, so Macy's homework marathon is 2P plus 7. Stay strong, Macy. Carrie has 6 bags of beads, S beads in each. Total 6s. She uses 38 to make a bracelet. Fancy. Since she used them, we subtract. 6s minus 38 beads left. Math is the secret to perfect jewelry making. Who knew? Alan is jogging on a 1.5-kilometer track. He runs 3 kilometers, then does B more rounds. Alan is making us all look lazy. Each round is 1.5 kilometers, so B rounds is B over 5. Total distance, 3 plus B over 5. Keep going, Alan. We're cheering for you. Mrs. Chung has in dollars. She spends 1/4 of it on veggies and fruits. If veggies cost $22, what's left for fruit? Total grocery money is N over 4. Subtract the $22 for veggies, and the fruit budget is N over 4 minus 22. Healthy and math heavy. The trick to word problems is to draw a picture, or in our case, build it with Lego in your head. It makes the math much clearer. Wayne's homework, Carrie's beads, Alan's jogging, and Mrs. Chung's shopping. You solved them all. You're absolute legends. That's it for Section 5. Go solve some real-world problems of your own. I'll see you in Section 6 for the next math adventure. Building math skills brick by brick. You've got this. Welcome back, Math Builders. We're diving deep into Section 6. Today is all about the Great Sharing Mystery. We've got Mandy's Candy, Ronald's Savings, and some marble magic. 5 slides, 5 minutes. Let's get our formulas building. Slide 26 starts with Mandy and Charles. Mandy has tea candies. The way of thinking here is to handle the sharing first. She gives half away. Hint, always write half as t over 2. It's the most solid brick in your algebra foundation. Then Mandy gets hungry and eats 2. Eats is our subtraction keyword, so t over 2 minus 2. Pro tip, don't subtract before you divide. Sharing happens first, then the snack. Mandy, you're a candy math legend. Slide 27, the savings showdown. Winnie has D. Ronald has $5 less than 3 times that. The logic check? Find the multiple first. 3 times Winnie is 3D. That's our starting tower for Ronald's math. Now, $5 less means we subtract 5 from that 3D. Formula 3D minus 5. Hint, whenever you see less than, the subtraction happens at the end of the expression. Don't let Ronald's piggy bank fool you. Slide 28, the baking challenge. 1 kilo at home plus R boxes of 1 2 kilo each. Way of thinking, each box is a fraction brick. R boxes times 1 2 kilos is R over 2 kilos. This is the new flour joining the party. Add the new R over 2 to the original 1 kilograms. Total 1 plus R over 2. Tip, always keep your units consistent. It's like making sure all your Lego bricks are the same size. Smells like algebra cookies. Slide 29, Jackson and the cookie tin. There are V cookies. 1 3 are butter cookies. Logic, 1 3 of V is V over 3. This is our butter cookie pile. Hint, of usually means multiplication in word problems. Jackson eats 12. Subtraction time, V over 3 minus 12. Pro tip, identify the specific group, butter cookies, before you subtract. Jackson, you're a math snack monster. Save some for the Section 7 outro. Final challenge, slide 30. Clara has 20 marbles, Peter has K and gives her half. The way of thinking, Peter's loss is Clara's gain. Peter gives away K over 2. That's our magic number. Clara takes her 20 and adds the K over 2 from Peter. Total, 20 plus K over 2. Final tip, always track who has what at the beginning versus the end. Your absolute marble math legends. Mastery unlocked. 5 slides, 5 minutes, and Section 6 is done. You've mastered sharing and accumulation logic. Only 2 sections left. See you in Section 7 for the home stretch. Peace out. Welcome back, math detectives. We're in Section 7, the home stretch. Today, we're putting all our secret rules together to solve some real math mysteries. Ready? Let's build. First case, subtract 12 from the product of 7 and R. Product means multiply, so 7R, then take away 12. 7R minus 12. You're getting too fast for me. Next, add 11 to 1/9 of U. 1/9 of U is just U over 9. Add 11, formula, U over 9 plus 11. Math is like a Lego instruction manual. Slide 32. Add 20 to D divided by 6. D over 6 plus 20, it's like adding an extra 20 bricks to your tower base. Subtract 5 from 1/4 of F. That's F over 4 minus 5. You're basically speaking math fluently now. I'm so proud of your progress. Store problem. E boxes of juice, 24 bottles each. That's 24E. But there are 15 more soft drinks than juice. Soda party. The formula for soft drinks is 24E plus 15. More soda means addition. Just don't drink it all at once. Math is thirsty work. Farmer problem. 8 oranges divided into 6 boxes. That's H over 6 in each. But wait, he finds 4 rotten ones in 1 box. Yuck. We subtract the bad ones to find the good ones. H over 6 minus 4. Always check your Lego bricks for dust and your oranges for rot. Dried fruit weight. Mango is T grams. Pineapple is 28 grams more than half the mango. Pineapple is heavy duty. Half the mango is T over 2. Add the 28 grams. Total pineapple, T over 2 plus 28. A perfectly balanced math snack. Juice, oranges, mangoes, and formulas. You solved every single one. You're absolute math legends. High 10.